Solve the equation by using identity. Example 2x plus 3y whole square. Here we use a plus b whole square formula is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a value is 2x. A value is 2x and b value is 3y. b is equal to 3y. Therefore 2x plus 3y whole square equal to a square. A is 2x whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a value 2x into b value 3y plus b square. b is 3y whole square. This equal to 2x whole square. 2 to the 4x square here. 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12. 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12xy. xy plus 3 square is 9. 3 3 is 9. Y square is answer.